Hello everyone. First step in this EFA is to determine the number of factors in the model, and we will do that using something called PCA, Principal Component Analysis. In R, it requires the deployer package because we use a select function. Okay. So start with the deployer packet. Make sure, since we use data one, that data one is actually loaded in your global environment. By the way, I'm using the cloud here because I had some bugs with RStudio, so I'm using RStudio Cloud. Um, in order to import data one, make sure that you go to upload in order to upload it to the cloud. And then once you've uploaded in the cloud, you can import the data set in your environment. Okay. So mentioning that in passing, I gave you a video earlier in the semester, but if you're new with R Cloud, remember to do that extra step. All right, so we create an object called comp because we wanted to look at components, so I thought it would be nice. We have our data loaded, and then we select the variables of interest, and then we run print comp. Print comp in itself is not gonna do much. Could not find the function. Uh, let's see here. Oh, it's because I had to put I have to select everything to get the deployers library. All right, my bad. Good reminder for myself and for everybody. Once you use a specific library, you make sure you select the library so you can run the code. All right, so as I said, simply write the code. So in order to view the result, remember that you simply need to view the result using the summary function. Okay, um, you want a summary of comp, and that indeed gives you all of the components. You see in the lecture I only kept a few. It extracted 15 components. Okay, so from there, remember we want to make sure that we look at the standard deviation to see how many we should extract. Here 6. That seems unreasonable considering the number of variables we have, and our theory was 3. So yeah, PCA may not be the best, may not be the most useful here to determine the number of factors. I'll show you an example later on where it works better. But what matters is that if we decide to extract 3 components, so 3 factors, we know that it represents 80% of all of the variance. Okay, so all right, that's something important to keep in mind. 70% of the variance explained well above 50. Okay, so that's important to know. Let's look quickly at the scree plot, which gives you another outlook on the data. Here we go. And you see that here, once again, if you look at the entire visualization, you could see that it's difficult to visually assess, but we have about 6 comps here. This is a visualization of this code right here. Okay, so this is the exact same information, just 2 ways to do it. People use both ways, so you need to know both. All right, that's it for now.